you want to care for your hands, then in today's video I'm going to share with you a very, very simple tip. We are going to prepare a scrub for the hand and a moisturizer with very simple ingredients that are readily available all over the world. I want you to test it and then write your responses in the comments box down below, because these home treatments are effective. These home treatments have assisted many people, and I hope that today's video will be beneficial for you also. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. See, we don't require fancy things to care for our hands, or if to be accurate, to care for the skin of our hand. Just readily available ingredients can also perform magic. If you don't trust it, just give it a try. First, we will prepare a scrub. To prepare the scrub, what do we require? Just 2 ingredients. First is sugar. If you can get organic sugar, brown sugar, it's preferable. If not, then you can use the regular sugar also. We'll be taking 1 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And to this sugar, we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil. If olive oil is not easily accessible near to you, then you can use any other oil. It can be almond oil, or it can be coconut oil, or it can be jojoba oil. You just mention it. Any of the oil that you think suits your skin better, you can use that one. Just remember the amount. Amount is 2 teaspoons. So these 2 teaspoons of oil we're going to add to the sugar, and we're going to combine it. Combine it well up to the moment the crystals of the sugar reduce to their size. I'm not saying to just dissolve the sugar in the oil. No, then we'll not get the exfoliating effect. This should be gentle, but they should not damage your skin. For you to understand better, the size of the sugar should reduce to half from the original size. So blend up to that moment, and as it is blended, that's it. This is your hand scrub. So how to use this scrub? Moisten your hand a little bit. Don't just directly apply it on the dry hand. Just moisten your hand a bit, and then scrub your hand. Even this scrub can be applied on the elbows, on the ankles, even in the neck area and knees also, but not on the face. Why? Because the skin of the face is very delicate. So we don't want to take the chance. In all other parts, you can apply it. This scrub can be kept in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days, not longer. So once prepared, you can keep it for 5 to 7 days, and you can apply this scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. That will be more than adequate. Oil is going to moisturize your skin. Oil is one of the finest things for our skin, and the crystals of sugar are going to provide that exfoliating effect. So an excellent but very simple ingredient scrub you are going to prepare, and it's going to be very economical also. So give it a try. You'll be surprised. Now, after exfoliating, what you have to do is moisturize your skin. Always remember that you should moisturize your skin when it's hydrated. Don't just apply any moisturizer on dry skin. For instance, you can apply moisturizer after taking a shower when your skin is hydrated. It has a little bit of water in it. I'm not saying to apply it on completely wet skin, but after you have dried your body slightly, then you can apply moisturizer. And in this way, your body will be moisturized for a long duration of time. So just give it a try. Now the moisturizer will be applying just after exfoliating, because as you have applied the scrub, you have exfoliated your hand. After that, you are going to obviously wash your hand, and after washing, you can just dab your hand with a towel. So your hand skin is going to retain the water in it. So now it's the best time to apply a moisturizer. How to prepare moisturizer? Again, in moisturizer also we are going to use 2 very simple ingredients. First is going to be again oil, and oil is going to be 2 teaspoons. Now if your skin is too dry, then you can use ghee, also known as clarified butter. You can use that over here. But if your skin is not too dry, then you can use olive oil or sweet almond oil or coconut oil, whichever suits you. If you'll be taking ghee, then it should be in the liquid form. Ghee actually solidifies when it's in the room temperature or if it's in the refrigerator. So before using it, you have to heat a bit, and then you have to take 2 teaspoons. So 2 teaspoons of oil, and it should be in the liquid form, and to this you will be adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin, you can add glycerin. You can use the natural form also or regular glycerin also. Now combine both of these ingredients well, and that's it. This is your moisturizer. This moisturizer can be kept for about 2 weeks. That's 14 days. And then you have to prepare it again. It's so simple. You have to just combine 2 things. That's it. This is how it's prepared. And the best thing is you don't need to apply a lot. Just apply 3 to 5 drops. That will be more than adequate. And massage well. You should massage at least for 3 to 5 minutes. Then your skin will be moisturized. There will be good blood circulation in the area, and this will deliver lots of nutrients to that area. In result, you will get glowing skin. So always remember to massage at least for 3 to 5 minutes. Moisturizer. I have shared with you the easiest one. So apply it and see the magic occurring. I'll be eagerly waiting for your responses in the comment box. I want you to try it. You see, it's very simple. At least give it a try just once, and you'll feel the effect. So you don't need special treatment to heal your skin. You just need a little bit of guidance and things that are readily available near to you. So test them out, and they will be beneficial. That's it for today's video. Now it's your turn, and hey, if this video was helpful, please type yes in the comment box. That one word might seem small, but it seriously motivates us to keep creating more science-backed health content. Just like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means everything. Naturally, thanks for watching, and as always, take care of your. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment.